Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different fruit turnovers. There's lemon, cherry chocolate, and strawberry cream cheese. They are delicious, so let's get started. To make these turnovers, you're going to need puff pastry dough. I have 2 videos showing how to make this, and I'll link to them in the description box. One shows how to make real traditional puff pastry, and the other one is for quick and easy puff pastry. Keep the puff pastry in the fridge until you're ready to use it. To make the lemon turnover filling, you will need some lemon curd. I'll link to one of my videos showing how to make this in the description box. Add some of the lemon curd into a medium mixing bowl. And add in the softened cream cheese, sugar, egg yolk, and flour, and beat them with an electric mixer until they're well combined and smooth. Cover it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge until you're ready to use it. Now to make the cherry chocolate turnover filling. First, wash the cherries, and you need to remove the pit. To do that, you can either break the cherry in half and pull out the pit, or use a straw to push it out. Or here I have a cherry pitter gadget that can pit 6 cherries at once. Roughly chop the pitted cherries and add them into a medium mixing bowl. Then add in the lemon zest, lemon juice, sugar, cornstarch, vanilla extract, and chopped dark or semi-sweet chocolate or chocolate chips, and mix them until they're well combined. To make the strawberry cream cheese turnovers, first we'll make the strawberry filling, then we'll work on the cheese filling later. Wash the strawberries, pat them dry, cut off the green part, and cut them into small pieces. Add the chopped strawberries into a medium bowl, and add in the lemon zest, lemon juice, sugar, and cornstarch, and mix them until they're combined. To make the cheese filling, in a small bowl, add in the softened cream cheese, mascarpone, or you can use more cream cheese, sugar, egg yolk, lemon zest, vanilla extract, salt, and flour, and mix them with an electric mixer until they're combined and smooth. Now to make the turnovers, remove the puff pastry from the fridge, cut off about 1/3 of the dough, and keep the rest in the fridge. Lightly flour the work surface and the top of the dough, and roll it out into a 24 by 12 inch rectangle. Cut the rolled out dough into 4-inch squares. This makes quite small turnovers with not much room for filling. If you would like them bigger with more filling, feel free to make them into 6-inch squares. Add a scoop of the lemon filling into the center of each square. Brush some egg wash onto 2 sides of each square. And fold one corner over to the opposite corner to make a triangle shape. You can also fold it in half to make a rectangle shape if you like. Then use a fork to crimp the edges and tightly seal the 2 crusts together. Place them onto sheet pans lined with parchment paper, leaving about ½ inch of space in between each one. These will puff up a lot in the oven but won't spread out much, so you don't need to leave a lot of space in between each one. Then place them into the fridge for at least an hour so the puff pastry gets cold again. These also freeze really well, so you can freeze them on the tray for a couple hours until they're frozen solid, then transfer them to a large Ziploc bag or airtight container and store them in the freezer for up to 4 months. And you can have fresh baked turnovers whenever you like. At least 15 minutes before you're ready to bake them, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Remove the chilled turnovers from the fridge or freezer. Brush the top with a bit of egg wash to give them a nice golden brown color when they bake. And bake them in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes until they're nicely browned. If you're baking 2 pans at once on 2 separate oven racks, then halfway through the baking time, rotate the pans and switch oven racks so they bake evenly. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool. If you like, you can top these lemon turnovers with a lemon glaze. To make it, in a small bowl, add in the powdered sugar, lemon juice, and vanilla extract, and mix them until they're combined. Then drizzle the glaze on top of the cooled turnovers. And you have delicious lemon turnovers. Do the same process for the cherry chocolate turnovers. And when you add the filling, try not to add too much of the liquid. And for these, I'm also topping them with raw sugar or turbinado sugar for a sweet, crispy, caramelized topping. Then bake them in the oven in the same way. Remove them from the oven and let them cool. And you have delicious cherry chocolate turnovers. For the strawberry cream cheese turnovers, add a very small scoop of the cream cheese filling in the center of each square. And add a small scoop of the strawberry filling on top of that. And bake them in the same way. Remove them from the oven and let them cool. And you have delicious strawberry cream cheese turnovers. And that's how to make fruit turnovers in 3 flavors. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like, and check out my channel for many more videos, and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.